Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. It's Lexi with Divinity Cosmetic Labs and Divinity Cosmetic Supply. Today is a little different. It's not really a sample formula, but I posted a TikTok a couple weeks ago on me making a Braid Loc gel, and it did get a couple thousand views, and a lot of you guys reached out to me. So I did go ahead and create like a little guide to guide you through the process of formulating any water-based pomade. So they pretty much made the same, similar ingredients, but different materials used for holding, right? So that'll be your styling polymers. So this is an example of what I'm making in this video. This is actually the free sample formula that's inside the guide. And I wanted to create a guide rather than just creating some kind of formula and just throwing it out there. Just because I think it's really important to understand the materials, how the materials work. Once you have that understanding, you could create your own custom product that's created specifically for the performance metrics that you set for your product. And I think that is far more important than just listening to someone on the screen and just following instructions, right? So that's pretty much it that I have for you guys. We do have some new materials coming in, more so geared towards color cosmetics because that's really my baby at heart. And I'll do better with uploading. It's just been a little crazy, then me getting sick. That, as some of you guys know, I have a lot of kids. So thank you for tuning in and happy formulating.